Today we're going to talk about a Moka pot. Now, if you start making videos on YouTube, reviewing stuff, very quickly, people will start sending you emails saying, hey, can I send you a free thing? Can you review it? And a lot of it is either completely irrelevant to what you do, or it's not really stuff you want to review, or they're just trying to get you to give them a good review, and there's discount codes for the audience. You just say no, right? The whole point of the Patreon was so I don't have to deal with this stuff. But once in a blue moon, you get an email that says, hey, do you want to try this thing? And you look at the thing and you're like, yeah, I kind of do. That looks, in a good way, kind of ridiculous. And that's what happened here. So I didn't pay for this. These are about £25 on Amazon, so they're not like expensive. They sent me one of these, and the reason that I wanted to play with it is that it is, as you can see, a clear glass Moka pot. And I thought maybe that'll look cool. Now, this is not going to be a how to make a Moka pot video because I've already made that video. I made it with the wonderful people at Chef Steps.
I can pop this in?
Yep. So when you put it together, just grab a towel because the bottom is going to be hot now. I'll stick a link to that in the description down below. If you want to know how to make a Moka pot, my recommendations, go check that out after this. This is a very quick review because frankly, there's not a lot you can say about these things. Now this is mostly an aluminium construction, and if I'm honest, it feels a little cheap. It's £25, so it is cheap, and it feels a little cheap. The threading doesn't feel fantastic. The way that the little basket in here sits, it's actually quite difficult to get it out of the main body sometimes. It sits a little bit too deep in there, and the sort of basket lip doesn't sit over the edge of this properly, so it's a little frustrating to empty. It's aluminium, so you can't put it in the dishwasher. It'll tarnish and get weird. So it's a hand wash only thing. It doesn't work on induction hobs, which is all I have here, but there's a way around that. Its construction is okay. Like the lid, there's like a little band here to try and keep this in place. It doesn't work super well. I wish they'd made it out of better materials, a better gauge of material. They just feel just a little too light for me. You are getting what you pay for here. This is a pretty cheap little Moka pot, but half of it's glass. Maybe that's cool. Maybe we should see what happens when you brew with one of these things. If you do want one, I'll leave a link in the description down below. It won't be an affiliate link. I do not want to benefit from you if you buy one of these. But really, the reason that I got one of these, the reason that you're probably watching this video, is you want to know if it looks cool. And so in the tradition of YouTube, let's finish this up with some unnecessarily cinematic shots of making coffee in a clear glass Moka. I thought that would look better. I did. I thought that would look cooler. It wasn't easy to get good looking results out of this. I can't quite work out why this doesn't brew a little bit like other Moka pots. It seems to brew a little bit differently. At kind of a range of grind settings too. I don't really understand why. Something maybe in the way that the basket is inside this thing. I don't know. But I thought it would look cooler. I did. Cinematic brewing in a clear glass Moka pot. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Melted some carpet onto that.